All right, so we're in a crazy snowstorm here. I'm at work coming out of the garage. So I don't have any snow on the ST, which is good. So let's see. Should I just leave it in all-wheel drive like it is now? Or should we put it in some sort of slippery mode? Or do we have, what else do we have? We have trail. No, we're not on trail. Snow or sand, deep snow or sand. Well, let's probably go into slippery mode, right? That's kind of what I'm thinking. All right, let's see how it does. Here we go. It's crazy out here. You can really hear the ice and the snow hitting the car now. All right, let's see if it's slippery. It's not too bad. Let's go over here. There's the plow. That's good. It's a good sight to see. Oh, it is slippery, yep. Tail end just came out a little bit. So there's a speed bump right here, so he's probably gonna pull his plow up to get over that. See if we can put on our wheel grip. The intelligent all-wheel drive, and it tells you which wheels are slipping or where the power's going. So the plow is leaving me. I'm on my own. And out here is the main road. Put on our front defroster. Okay, maybe not. That's annoying. Look, no one's been through here. All new snow. Look, love that. Making own tracks. Woo. Too fast. Oh boy, oh no, it's all backed up. Oh, what? Look at all the plow trucks. Here comes Del Doc coming through. Oh my God, what a mess. Oh, I see why. All the way down there's a tractor trailer stuck on the side of the road or in the path. And these plow trucks are trying to get there. Oh boy. I should pay attention. Yep, there's a jackknife tractor trailer up there. Yay. Because right above them, it's all clear. Alright, that's enough for this one. I should probably pay attention to what I'm doing. Storm is outright craziness. The ST is doing really well though. There are a lot of cars out here with two-wheel drive that think they can just go through this. I mean, this is nuts. Look, you got your baby Toyota. Don't bring it out in the biggest snowstorm to hit the East Coast in like 3 years. Very nice of them to get out of their cars and push that dude up the hill. So I'm not about to do that. It's a winter wonderland out here. Alright, turn the hazards off, that's annoying. Alright, Mr. Truck, what are you gonna do? You're gonna go up the hill. You're going at 3 miles an hour. There's a whole line of cars behind me. Alright, here we go. Up a really steep hill. Come on, ST. Let's feel it. Oh, a little bit of slippage. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh my God, this car is awesome. Go, go, go. Wants to slide a little bit to the right, but I think traction control is stopping that. Go all the way up the hill. All right. All right, that was fairly good. Alrighty, another 10 minutes, I should be at home. Just want to let everybody know that this ST really rocks in the snow. Thank you, Ford. See you in the next video.